the importance of social media, connection and communication, staying in touch with friend, family, and community, especially in growth distance, help maintain relationship in a fast-paced world where face-to-face time is limited. Messaging, video call, and group chat have become central to modern communication. Social media expression and identity. People use social media to express themselves through photo, opinion, video, or creative content. It's a way to share achievement, interests, and personal story. Many also use it to explore and shape their identity. Social media provide information and new quick access to breaking news, global event, night interest. Many follow short leader expert and page to stay informed and educate. It is personalized feed of what happening in the world and within specific community. A business and opportunity, brand, freelancer, and professional use social media to promote product, service, build an audience, network, and find job opportunity. Influencer and content creator even earn living through social platform. Social media entertainment, escape scrolling through video, meme, or story, offer relaxation or distraction. App like TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube are central to modern entertainment. Game, live stream, and viral content are all part of this. Belonging and community. People find support to community based on shared interest, identity, challenges. Night group can be source of and get encouragement and understanding. It satisfies a deep human need to feel connected and not alone. FOMO and social pressure. Some feel they need to be on social media to keep up with others or not miss out on trend. Even conversation, they can be create both sense of inclusion and stress.